Have you ever wondered how the ancient Romans, without the technology we have today, managed to supply water to their sprawling cities? In the heart of the sprawling Roman Empire, a marvel of engineering stood as a testament to the Romans' remarkable ingenuity: the Roman aqueducts. These weren't just simple structures of stone and mortar, no, they were the arteries of the empire, carrying life-giving water from distant sources to the heart of bustling metropolises. Imagine a world where the scale and scope of an empire stretched from the sun-baked sands of Africa to the misty highlands of Scotland. An empire teeming with millions of people, all needing water for drinking, bathing, and keeping the city clean. This was the Roman Empire, and the need for efficient water management systems was paramount. From the towering aqueducts of Segovia to the winding tunnels of the Aqua Claudia, the Romans demonstrated an understanding of engineering that was far ahead of its time. The Roman aqueducts, a testament to the ingenuity of ancient engineers, were the lifeblood of the Roman Empire. To understand the true genius behind the Roman aqueducts, we need to delve into their functioning. The life force of these aqueducts, the water, originated from sources often miles away from the cities. These sources were typically fresh, free-flowing rivers or springs chosen for their purity and abundance. But how did this water traverse such vast distances to reach the thirst of Rome? The answer lies in a simple yet profound concept we all know: gravity. Yes, the Romans harnessed the power of gravity to transport water from the source to the city. Envision this: an aqueduct, not as a towering stone structure, but as a gentle slope, a decline so subtle it's almost imperceptible. This was the secret to the movement of water. The gradient was calculated with such precision that it enabled water to flow naturally, yet steadily, without the need for any pumps or additional energy. Now let's talk about the construction of these aqueducts. The Romans were masters of architecture, and their choice of materials reflected this. They used a combination of stone, brick, and a special type of concrete called opus caementicium. This robust mixture ensured the aqueducts could withstand the wear and tear of constant water flow and the test of time. But the Romans didn't just build and forget, they knew the importance of regular upkeep. Along the length of the aqueducts, they constructed inspection shafts. These were essentially access points for maintenance crews. They could descend into the aqueduct, check for blockages, leaks, or any signs of damage, and carry out necessary repairs. This was a testament to their foresight and commitment to longevity. So, through a combination of gravity, precise construction, and meticulous maintenance, the Romans were able to transport water over vast distances. Their aqueducts stand as a testament to their advanced understanding of engineering and the value they placed on the accessibility of clean water. The Roman aqueducts weren't just about providing water, they were a symbol of Roman power and engineering prowess. Not only did these magnificent structures quench the thirst of Rome, they also facilitated urban growth by providing a reliable source of water to the ever-growing population. Imagine the Rome of yesteryears, bustling with activity, its lifeblood flowing through the veins of these aqueducts. The provision of water was not their only contribution. The aqueducts significantly improved hygiene and public health. Public baths, latrines, and fountains became commonplace, improving the quality of life. The aqueducts were instrumental in the fight against diseases, providing clean water that reduced the spread of waterborne illnesses. But the legacy of the Roman aqueducts extends far beyond Rome itself. Their influence can be seen in the infrastructure of cities across Europe and the Middle East. These structures were not just about water, they were a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the desire to improve the world around us. Remarkably, some of these ancient aqueducts are still in use today, over 2,000 years after they were built. The Aqueduct of Segovia in Spain and the Pont du Gard in France, for instance, stand as enduring symbols of Roman engineering. They continue to function not as mere tourist attractions, but as working parts of their respective cities' water supply systems. The longevity of these structures is a tribute to the Romans' engineering skills. Built without the use of modern machinery, these aqueducts have withstood the test of time, surviving natural disasters, wars, and the wear and tear of centuries. The Roman aqueducts, an enduring symbol of ingenuity and foresight, continue to inspire and influence modern engineering. They remind us of what humanity is capable of when we apply our minds to solving problems and improving our world. They challenge us to think about what legacies we will leave behind for future generations. Will our modern marvels stand the test of time as the Roman aqueducts have?